In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from PayPal to PayPal without linking a bank account. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll be able to transfer funds confidently and securely. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. Once you're there, you'll see the home page where you need to focus your attention on the top right corner. This is where you'll find the option to log in. Go ahead and click on the log in button. Now it's time to enter your PayPal credentials. Carefully type in your email address followed by your password. Make sure your details are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your information, click on the log in button again. After you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your main PayPal account dashboard. Here, look for the menu option labeled Pay and Get Paid. Click on this to progress to the next step, which involves sending your payment. In this new menu, you're looking for a button that says Send Payment, or similarly Send. Clicking this will start the process of transferring the funds. Next, you'll need to specify to whom you want to send the money. PayPal makes this easy by allowing you to input either the recipient's email address, their mobile number, or simply their PayPal username. Enter the correct details of the person you intend to send money to, ensuring everything is accurate to prevent sending money to the wrong account. Once you've entered their information, click Next. With the recipient confirmed, it's time to specify how much money you'd like to send. Enter the amount carefully, double checking to make sure you're sending the exact amount you intend. Now comes an important part, choosing your payment method. Even though we're not linking a bank account, you have other reputable options. Select either your PayPal balance, which is straightforward if you have funds available, or opt to use a debit or credit card linked to your PayPal account. This offers flexibility while ensuring your bank account remains unlinked. Once everything is set up with the right amount and payment method, take a moment to review all the details. This is crucial to ensure accuracy in your transaction. When you're satisfied that everything looks correct, go ahead and click on Send Payment or simply Send to finally initiate the transfer. And there you have it, you've successfully sent money from one PayPal account to another without needing to link a bank account, all done securely and efficiently. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Until next time, happy transacting.